It is showing no boot device found. Press any key to reboot the machine. Yesterday I worked well on this computer and now today it is showing no boot device found. Let's press enter on the Dell support assistant opens. Initializing storage. You see the sound. Your hard drive, no hard drive detected. This option appears. Scan the QR code using a smartphone or mobile device to continue online. Let's try by removing the HDMI cable and reinserting the cable. Just remove the all USB cables, which is one is for camera, webcam, and one is for printer, one is for scanner. This is the HDMI port. And now let's restart the PC. Just click on continue. Still we are getting this issue, no boot device found. Press any key to continue. Now let's restart the system. See, the system is restarted and it is on fully. You will see the here lock screen. You just need to press enter to login. See, we solved this problem by slapping on both sides of the CPU, and now the CPU is working. We get the boot screen here. See, the PC is booted. We got the desktop screens.